watchers, and welcome to Disney Dollhouse issue 56. So in this issue we're going to be starting on the second floor, which is the room above the frozen hallway, and we also get a figure. So the assembly instructions are literally half a page, well, one page, and it's basically slotting the floor plates into place and gluing them into place. And then we've got a lovely Cinderella's poster. That's really nice. I've never seen it like this before. So that is very nice indeed. And then we've got the Magic of Disney, all about Peter Pan. And again, some more of Mary Blair's fantastic concept artwork. And the Magic of Disney, all about Wart, aka Arthur Pendragon. And then another Magic of Disney profile, Thomas O'Malley from the Aristocats. And then the usual blurb on the back, as well as what's coming in issue 57, which is another frozen chair and another frozen rug. Oh, there's two in one room. I did not realise that. And then some more ceiling for above Alice in Wonderland's room, which I think Cinderella's room is on the top of it. I think, yes, it is. So let's get on with the very simple build. We're going to need, obviously, the main house, which looks a little something like this. Obviously, people's staircases will be looking different. And then in this issue, we got two flooring pieces. One with a groove for lighting, and then the final floor finish. So the first thing that we want to do is have it this way up and stick the staircase that way on. And then this should, famous last words, or shouldn't, yeah, that step needs to go above the flooring rather than below. And then getting all the gaps lined up properly. Which they do. Except for this back one, there we go. So that pops on there just like so. I am going to change my staircase in the future. This one might go on the second floor, and then the Aristocrat one might go down here. So I'm not going to glue my bits in place just yet. I'm just showing you how you would do it. So everything slots into place like I've just shown you, and then obviously just put a bit of glue to where the edges would sit. But keep in mind, don't go mad with the glue, because the last thing you want is it to go underneath on the floor below. And from this angle camera, you can see that it's a nice blue colour to match the frozen room. And then we've got the flooring covering as well, but they don't want you to stick this down just yet. I'm guessing they're going to wait until you've got walls up so you can really marry it up well. But it will probably sit something like that, I imagine. But that's literally it for this week's assembly. So I'll just push him back for now. And then, of course, our decorative item is Peter Pan himself, which is very well done and in a seated position. I do love the greens on this. I think that's very nicely done in his little face. Yeah. Nice. So you can sit up there. So yeah, that's it for this issue. Fairly straightforward and simple. In the future issues, in the next few issues anyway, this second floor is basically going to fly up. So yeah, something to look forward to. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully I'll see you in the next issue. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.